Why do you choose to go on these deployments with Task Force GLM?
From the very first deployment that I went on, I experienced some things while I was over there that I've never experienced in my life. I still vividly remember being in the Bekaa Valley, the blessed place that is in our religion, as the Prophet mentioned, is the place of Hisham. And I remember looking out, and behind me there was a camp of people who we were trying to help. And before going into the makeshift house, the tent, I was out there and we were in a valley, the mountains, the sky was about to rain, the rainbow was there, there was some drizzling coming down, there were clouds, and I was just overwhelmed with the whole spectacle of the optic that I was there in that blessed place trying to help people, human beings. And I knew that that was my call, that I would have to come back to this place as much as possible, because in terms of Iman and my experience, I've never experienced anything like that. Allah mentioned in the Quran, وَلِكُلٍّ وِجْهَةٌ هُوَ مُوَلِّيهَا فَاسْتَبِقُوا الْخَيْرَاتِ. Everyone has been put on a path that he has to tread. So get on your path and be in a race to do good. So I used to always love Umrah and Hajj, and I continue to love those two forms of ibadah. When I was there in that place in the Bekaa Valley, and when I continue to go, I feel that this is probably the third top form of ibadah that makes me feel happy to be alive, to feel like I'm doing something. And this is probably the main reason why I keep going back, and I ask Allah to accept it from all of us at Task Force GLM.